So my name is Courtney Gendro. I'm the FSQR document coordinator for Cargill Protein Group. So the benefits for using Qualtrax that we've seen and we're very excited about is automating especially the approval and publishing of new versions of our documents. We've struggled in the past on our results from our audits of we don't always handle that the best. And so improving that process and making it more automated has definitely helped. So what I've seen in how Qualtrax has simplified some of our tasks is the automation of some of the processes of sending out the emails, of reminding people, and when documents are ready and there's a new version, getting that information out to the appropriate people so that they know to use that new version. And then also a big portion is the associating a test or training for when a document update happens, that they can actually sign off that they've actually reviewed it and have seen that document, which has been a big missing piece of our document control program in our company. Being open of when I have questions or have suggestions for improvement, I've always been greeted with an open mind and talking through that, and the people I've worked with at Qualtrax have been like, that's a great idea, and you know, what can we do to help get it implemented as well? So that's been great to see.